Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to go from this to this. First things first, I like to take a bath in the morning because it's so refreshing and I smell good. Before applying any makeup, I like to prep my skin with some face wash and just with some water I scrub my face and rinse my face with warm water and dry it with a cloth. Then I apply a few drops of toner and dab it on my face. Finally, I apply moisturizer to keep me hydrated for the day. Then I apply a primer to help my makeup to last longer. Next, I'm going to draw little strokes on my eyebrow, starting from the end to the tail of my eyebrow. I'll repeat the steps to my other eyebrow. Next, I'll apply concealer to cover my dark pigmentation on my lid. Then distribute the product with my fingers. Let's move on with my favorite part, eyeshadow. I usually use these two colors for a casual look. I'll usually apply a lighter color on my crease, and then with another brush I'll apply the darker color inside my crease. It's super simple and it only takes a few minutes. To complete this look, I like to draw the famous cat eye style. Then I'll use my favorite mascara to make my lashes super long and give them volume. To apply foundation, I usually use my fingers and then blend it with an angled brush. I follow the same steps for the other side of my face, blend it, and apply a little bit of foundation on my forehead. To cover my dark circles, I use concealer just in the inner corner and then blend it with my finger. To accentuate my cheekbones, I use a cream blush and a sponge and dab it around my cheekbones. For my lips, I use a nude color and I'm ready for the day. Wait a minute. Oh yes, the setting spray will set my makeup for the day. I don't usually do my hair because I like it how it is. I just untangle it with my fingers or with a brush. Before leaving the house, I'll wear these cute earrings and we're done, guys. This is the final result of my makeup and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!